The Islamic State is trying to spread its network in India by misleading the youth and persuading them to carry out terror attacks. In a recent incident, Abu Yusuf, an alleged ISIS terrorist, was arrested in capital New Delhi with arms and ammunitions. He was planning to carry out an attack but was foiled by the security agencies. A report.
A deadly terror attack thwarted by security agencies in New Delhi. These men in uniform are using the latest anti-terror technology to find every single clue about the modus operandi of Abu Yusuf Khan, a suspected ISIS terrorist arrested from the Indian capital after a brief gunfight. Hailing from Balrampur city of Uttar Pradesh, Abu Yusuf was riding a motorcycle and carrying 2 pressure cookers turned into IEDs with about 15 kilograms of explosives in them. He also possessed a pistol with 4 live cartridges. Abu Yusuf, who was in direct touch with ISIS commanders, planned a terror strike in the city on Independence Day, which was foiled by heavy security system in New Delhi.
2015 में जब आया तो इसका फर्स्ट हैंडलर था यूसुफ अल हिंदी। यूसुफ अल हिंदी जो है उसने इसको इनिशियली इनिशिएट किया, रेडिकलाइजेशन किया इसका और इसको ISIS का अपना पार्ट बनाया। खुरासान प्रोविंस का जो IS मॉड्यूल है, ISKP जिसे कहते हैं, उसमें अली हुज़ैफ़ा पाकिस्तानी इसका हैंडलर रहा है। हुज़ैफ़ा पाकिस्तानी ने इसको सीरिया आने का भी खुरासान आने का भी प्रॉमिस किया था कि आपको खुरासान लाएंगे फैमिली के साथ में। बट जब लास्ट ईयर वो ड्रोन स्ट्राइक में मारा गया तो जो नया हैंडलर था इसका, जो नया अमीर है ISKP का, उसने इसको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए कि आप वहीं पर इंडिया में ही कोई एक्शन कीजिए। उस डायरेक्शन के तहत कल ये दिल्ली में आया था, किसी हैवी फुटफॉल एरिया में इसको ये IEDs प्लांट करनी थी और इसको ये भी इंस्ट्रक्शन थी कि ये जब वापस लौट जाएगा यहाँ ये कार्रवाई करके तो उसके बाद इसे फिदाइन करना था।
The arrest in Delhi comes days after a doctor was arrested in Bengaluru city for alleged links to ISIS. 28-year-old Abdur Rahman, who worked as an ophthalmologist at a medical college in the city, was arrested by the National Investigation Agency based on intelligence from a couple arrested in Delhi in March. After the arrest, the NIA carried out searches at 3 premises belonging to Abdur Rahman and seized digital devices, a mobile phone and laptop containing incriminating material. A UN report on terrorism has already warned that there are significant numbers of ISIS terrorists in Indian subcontinent who are planning terror strikes in the region.
Pakistan's agenda has been to spoil the basic fabric of democracy wherever there is democracy, and their agenda has been that we should always go into countries, and ISI is very well known. ISI is a intelligence agency of the Pakistan army, and it is very well known that Pakistan indulges into all these things, and Pakistan agents do have terrorists into various countries. They plant these people. The ISI plants terrorists, and such activities are conducted. So now it is time for all the countries to come together and raise a strong voice and put sanctions against Pakistan and take some strong action against Pakistan.
Terror groups in this geographical region of Pakistan and Afghanistan have spread its influence mostly by co-opting with Pakistan-based terrorist factions including Lashkar-e-Jhangvi al-Alami, Jundullah and Jamaat-ul-Ahrar, among others. The group has garnered much of its strength and influence through its covert network of extremists in Pakistan who have sworn allegiance to Islamic State. Despite Pakistan remaining on the grey list of Financial Action Task Force, it continues to help and fund these terrorists to carry out terror strikes.
That Pakistan is now indulging into the world scenario as far as terrorism is concerned, and this now should be raised with a loud voice that Pakistan is a terror country, block everything and put sanctions on Pakistan and let us all stop all relations with Pakistan.
Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, the terror groups like the Islamic State and Al-Qaeda are on recruitment spree by using social media. They easily mislead the youth and force them to commit terror attacks. Indian police confirmed that Abu Yusuf too came in contact with Islamic State through social media. Thus, apart from stemming radicalization, it is critical to closely watch threats emerging from online space in the region.